Hi, today I will show you how to easily clean sticky Volvo car radio knobs. It's a very simple and cheap way to make plastic knobs look like new again. As you can see, my car radio had unique knobs were left looking ugly and all the dirt sticks to them. Over time, most plastic get a sticky layer. Plastic are stabilized in their current form by special chemicals, mixed in during production, but these chemicals escape over time. When you remove the sticky layer, underneath is the original plastic which looks clean and new. So today I am going to show you how to get rid of that plastic layer. I found that alcohol pads with at least 70% isopropyl alcohol work well for this. You can find these pads online or in pharmacies. The link to the pads is in the video description. The next step is to remove the knobs, which can usually be pulled off. Once removed, the knobs will be easier to clean. After that, take an alcohol pad and soak the sticky layer, scrubbing it. Repeat this several times until the plastic returns to its original look and no longer has the sticky layer. I love how it turned out. The car looks at least 10 years younger. Any plastic surface can be cleaned this way, whether it's a knob, door handle or any other plastic part. After this cleaning, the plastic buttons look so nice, and it's no longer nasty to look or touch. Have you come across any old sticky plastic surface? Did you know they could be cleaned this easily? I hope after this video you'll be able to do it. Good luck!